record the session. Okay. Hi Hussein, you can also introduce yourself by you unmuting yourself. Host sharing is let me make you co-host. Yeah. Kshitij, I maybe made you co-host that you can share your screen.
Uh, I'm not getting it. How to? Okay, okay, I got it.
Yeah. Okay, friends. Welcome to first day of the challenge, 30-day Upwork challenge. So I'll be teaching you a bit whatever I know, how to get started on Upwork and everything. I started back in 2000 October 2020, and yeah, it's pretty hard to get on clients on Upwork and other freelance site. But Upwork is the most reputed number one freelancing site of the world, and you can get very genuine clients from there, and you can make long-term contracts, long-term clients with these from Upwork, and you can get going with Upwork in a very good way. So I myself has made uh, three three long-term clients from Upwork, and now I don't have to bid on every job. I mean, I have enough of work from Upwork only. And so yeah, here I'm sharing with everyone how I started Upwork and how you can also take the advantage of this amazing platform. So welcome everyone. Okay, Kshitij, are you going to share your screen, or I
Yeah,
have?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. We'll review some accounts that I got the link from our WhatsApp group. We'll be reviewing these accounts also. Okay. Meanwhile, can you guys just introduce yourself if you like, or you can also turn on your video, and you can turn on your mic, and we can just know each other well.
Okay, Ravi, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah. Okay. I can see your screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's review it. Can you take it downwards a bit? Okay, so the first mistake is only digital marketing.
Yeah.
Okay, digital marketing, there are n number of things in digital marketing. Digital marketing is an ocean. As we all learned that we need to specify our niche in digital marketing. If we are doing yeah, if you are doing blogging, if you are focused on content creation, if your expertise is content creation or SEO, you have to mention that in your title, not just digital
Right.
marketing.
Like
So
here I have to mention.
yes, there only
Okay.
first thing. And as also Sachin mentioned. Okay, guys, if you are not speaking, can you please mute your mic? Sunita, if you are not speaking, please mute your mic. Okay, fine. So, okay, reduce Sachin, as rightly Sachin said, that reduce the pricing, Kshitij. When even
All right.
if we have 5-6 years of experience in particular field, but our upper profile is
Mhm.
100% new, then we cannot keep this $35 per hour charges. Okay, we need to lessen the price.
Okay.
The best would be $9 or $10 per hour.
All right. 9 to 10.
Yes,
I have just created it today though, so I just done it
yes,
like it is a raw profile. Like I have
yes.
not.
Got it.
Yeah.
I totally got it. I totally got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So what you need to write, uh, I will specify what you need to write, and we'll learn everything. So can you just stop your screen sharing, and maybe I can share my screen, and I'll show you to everyone.
Okay.
From it's a day one, so I'll just many of our friends don't know about Upwork. So if the the other participants who knows about Upwork and have already their profile. But then also I'll make some reviews, uh, uh, like walkthrough on the Upwork. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, I hope everyone can see my screen, right? Fine. Okay, so here it is. Here is my profile. What I did, I also did the mistake like Kshitij did. I just wrote digital marketing strategies initially, but then I did bit of research and I came to know that we should not write like these digital marketing strategies. You should specify your niche. So I just specified that social media manager. I considered myself good at social media management, so I made my profile the main thing about social media manager, and by side also I also mentioned digital media strategies, and initially I just wrote my this hourly rate $7 and $9. I increased this rate just now, but yeah, also everything I saw many. So I have few of the profiles that you guys send me. So let's review what's wrong with this profile. First one is Ritu. Okay, let's refresh this. Okay. Okay. Do we have Ritu over here? Ritu is joined with us. Okay, no problem. Arindam has joined with us.
Yes, thank you for the session, Ravi.
Yeah. Arindam, hi. Are you here, Arindam?
Yeah, can you hear me? I'm here.
Okay, great, Arindam. That's great. Fine.
Yeah.
So let's review Arindam's profile. Digital marketing, growth, hacking, e-commerce, website designer. Pretty good, Arindam.
Yeah.
So you are into website designing, growth hacking of what? Growth hacking
No,
in
I did
yeah.
update it actually, but actually, can you see this? I have changed it to web design and social media marketing instant, but I don't know why the this section is not changed.
Okay, so you may have changed over here. Yeah, right?
Yeah. The left
Okay.
two section.
Okay. So you made a specialized profile also. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Social media expert and branding specialist, social media management. That's good. Okay. Then this description is also matters. I am a social media manager service, Instagram, Facebook. This is good. Yeah. So profile, we can see Arindam's profile over here. What you need to do, you cannot write digital marketing specialist. There are many profile over here. We can see here Chaitanya's profile. He have just mentioned digital marketing consultant. So no, this is very wrong thing. Digital marketing is a huge thing, and no one just search about digital marketing. They search about social media management, as SEO, as email marketing, as landing page management, uh, and so they don't search for digital marketing strategies. And also we cannot write this. We are not expert in everything in digital marketing, so we need to niche down our profile and make it for the best skills which we have. So here, as Arindam has made a social media expert and branding specialist, and this profile is good. The title is good, description is also good. So main thing is, see, here is the main what others are doing mistake before starting. First of all, you don't have to mention this as a digital marketing consultant. You have to niche down. Second is, you have to give a big description over here on the profile. You cannot write just my name is this, my name is so and so, and I have this and this. You have to write like this. See, this is my profile. Uh, Also, once you get your first job, you'll be verified via video call from Upwork as executive, and this job success score will appear after 9 to 10 jobs are completed. So start with here, social media manager and digital marketing, and we don't need to be so much professional over here. You can write in informal language also in this description. So I just study what the top social media manager are writing in their profile, and then I modified my profile in this way. Are you getting?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so someone is doing SEO, right? So if someone's niche is anyone any SEO guy over here,
Yeah.
which what is your profile SEO guy? Okay, okay, fine. Uh, we make a profile. Okay, website. Let's pick up one profile. Graphic designer, right? So Mahadevu, Mahadevu? Are you here with us?
Yes, yes, Ravi, I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. So Mahadev, let's see what you should write. Okay, you have written a good thing, but what I did and what we should do. $3 is very less. Don't keep $3, else else the people else the job poster will see that it is very low rate and you will not provide good quality of work. So $3 is very less. We should at least go for $7 to $9. Even if our profile is very much new, $3 it's very less.
Okay, got
Okay,
it.
so browse talent and just here, right? Graphics. Okay, so friends, whatever your profile is, whatever you are into expert, like someone is into website designing, someone is into SEO, someone is into graphics designing, right? So just search that talent in this Upwork uh, by searching your talent, and just make a search, and you will see the top search results on on the basis of this keyword, graphic designer keyword. You will see some top search results. Okay, so just study their profile, what they are writing in their profile and description. Okay, let's see this. Motion graphic designer. uh, she may be knowing much more than graphic designing, but she have wrote only one thing: motion graphics designer, right? She have niched it down, and it is clear thing what she knows and what she can do. Okay, hello, I am this my skills, and I use this much. Okay, so you can just analyze 10 profiles. Okay, you can analyze 10 profiles, you can make a document, and you can write what is the description made by top 10 people in the search result. And in this way you can frame your profile title and description. Let's see this guy from Ukraine. Okay, a professional graphic designer present in. Okay, you can see this. So here what mistake has done is done by uh, Chaitanya. No, which one we are
Mahadev Rohit,
looking?
you just switched it to other profiles.
Okay, Mahadev. So Mahadev, what mistake you did? Can you tell what mistake you did?
We are not narrowed down to the niche, and description not tells the conveys the what exactly the graphic design, what does I do, or
Yeah, exactly. One more thing, you have to niche it down. Means graphic designer, and also uh, if you can drill down more, like logo designer specialist, like any other in your graphics field. If you can niche it down more, then you should do that. See, this guy has mentioned. She is specialist in fashion. Okay,
yes,
so if you can niche it down more, then it's better. But if not, graphic designing is okay. But if you can in graphic designing, you can also write collateral designs, logo designing. Many
Mhm.
things come in graphic designing, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
you can niche it down. And one thing I saw in your profile is you have wrote large paragraph,
Yeah,
big paragraphs. So just
yes,
that is not much readable. So just make small paragraphs. Okay, whatever
yes.
you are writing, just make a small paragraph, as you can see over here. Okay, see this guys. He has he has very small description, but
Mhm.
okay, then also the keyword are matching, so the guys appeared, and his earning are also good, reviews are also good. So yeah, it appeared in the search result. Check out this Victoria. Check out. They have written small description, but they are readable, right?
Yes.
So, we should not write a very big description with long paragraph. You can write big description, but avoid writing in long paragraphs.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Got it.
Fine. So see this guy. Small paragraphs. He has written what exactly he is doing and how he can solve the problem.
Yes.
See, he has written clearly, I can do these things. Very nice thing. What I
Yes.
use, this thing. This is very nice thing. If you so just study 10 search result of your niche, and you will get a clear idea what you should write.
Yes. Got it.
Yeah, is this clear, friends?
Yes. Yes. It's clear.
Yeah. Okay. So here, Arindam. Okay, Arindam's profile is pretty much neat over here. A social media expert and branding specialist. I am experienced. You can bit Arindam. You can also write over here. These you have written. My services are customized according to client specific needs. I'm flexible, etc. These can be changed. These can be optimized. Just search here social media manager, and you'll find very nice descriptions over here. Social media manager. Okay, let's check her profile. She's already expert vetted, so she doesn't need any more description. Okay, social media manager, certified. Yeah, certified manager, and this. Just we need to find out the best which suits our profile, and you can write it. Okay, she have pretty good profile, and as a part of previous project, if you just go through 10 profiles, you'll have an idea what you should write. Okay, I have also made a profile of social media manager. Let me show you mine. Okay, see, social media manager, digital marketing strategies. Hi, I do social media marketing, branding, and professional content creator. I help various businesses and individuals to reach their goal of success through social media management. My skills are these. Few of the pointers that are clearly readables. And thank you so much for your time. Okay, don't hesitate for. Okay, you can just. I have also done the same thing. I just studied 10 to 15 profiles of social media managers, and I just reframe my bio, my description in this way, and it's good to go. Fine. So this is the first thing. Now let's some friends also have had doubts about Upwork, how it works and how it knows. So let's start with the basic of the Upwork. So in Upwork there are two types of projects. Let's start from over here. Okay, there are Upwork two type of project, fixed rate and hourly. Okay, so let me show you how they are. My all contracts. Okay, so this is hourly project. So what type of projects are counted as hourly? If the requirement is not specific or it is an ongoing project, yeah, it's ongoing project, then those projects are considered. You can consider those projects as hourly projects, and the projects which are fixed, like website building. So if you are bidding for a WordPress website, then the requirement will be clear that 5 or 10 pages website is there, and you have to 5-10 pages manage website payment integration, and the requirements will be clear. So for this WordPress, the budget is fixed. It's up to client what type of project they want to keep. It's a fixed price or hourly. So this one is fixed price project. This guy needed WordPress development, and budget was this much. and we defined milestones, and yeah, it works like this because the work is fixed over here, and we know how much time we are going to spend on the project, so we can go for fixed price project. But if it's ongoing project, if you don't know how much time you have to spend, then you can go for hourly project. But it's up to its client's decision that if client wants fixed price, then you can go for fixed price. If they want hourly, then you can go for hourly. So for example, in graphic or logo designing, there may be a um, fixed set of process that need to be done. So maybe logo designing projects are fixed price project, and SEO is thing. So SEO may not be hourly, may not be fixed price. It may be hourly thing. So you can while bidding and everything, you can just make out it's hourly or fixed price. Okay, so that was about types of project. And one more most important thing is your profile. It should be 100% complete. Okay, what things should be included? So number one, your title and your description, that should be completed. This is the most basic thing. Then you'll be having the skills. So whatever you'll be appearing in your search result, it will be based on the skills. Whatever recommendations you will be getting in your feed, that also will be based on these skills that you have entered. Okay, so just for me, I'm getting this type of feed. Why? Because I have mentioned that Facebook advertising, Instagram ad campaign, Instagram marketing, social, these are my skills. So you can edit your skill over here anytime, and you can add up to 15 skills that are relevant to your expertise. You can mention the skills, and on the basis of your skill, you'll get the feed and you'll be able to see the jobs. So most important things, you have to mention up to 15 skills over here. 10 to 15, that's fine. Then this project catalog, this is a new thing. It's like Fiverr. In Fiverr there are gigs, so this Upwork also implemented the same thing. Okay, am I okay? Can you my audio video is okay?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, yeah, it got stuck in a just got a message. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so first thing, project catalog, you can ignore this as of now. But if you can write this testimonial, certification, and employment history, other experiences, do mention this. Okay, also portfolio. So if you are in this account, let's see. Okay, where is this SVN? SVN Prasad, it's private account. Okay, let's see here, Chaitanya's. Okay, so Chaitanya has made this profile, and he has made a portfolio, skills also, certifications also added. That's good thing. So but this profile description is not proper. So you need to first make this profile picture, profile complete over here. And also, if possible, you can add your experience. You can add your internship experience also over here, as I have. Okay, employment history, you can write this employment history. There is nothing to verify. You can write more experience also. It's okay. Okay, so just take care. On the first day, let's do this thing. Make your profile complete in the sense, your title, your description, okay, and then your portfolio. Add some portfolio. We can add the project that we did in the internship program over here. And also the picture and everything should be good enough, that if someone visit here, they can clearly see what you have done in this project. So make a clear picture, thumbnail, etc. over here in your profile, and then add your skills. You can ignore this catalog things over here. Testimonials also, you can testimonials you can ask from your friend. We can in our group only, we can ask for the testimonials. And if testimonials are there, it's very good thing. Certifications also, these are free certifications. You can do this certification as Chaitanya has also added. You can just find free certification, Google Analytics individual certification, or HubSpot agency partner. These are free certification. So you can just complete this certification and add over here. It will add value to your profile. And employment history, you just write 1 or 2 year of experience, because Upwork don't want freshers on their portal. They want experienced people on their profile. So just mention some of the experience over here. Okay. So let's keep this as a first day task. Okay, what we'll be doing on the first day? Just complete your profile. Number 1, complete your profile. If you have already profile completed, then optimize it. How you should optimize? Just go through 10 profiles of your niche and frame your profile title and description in that way. Okay. So this is the first thing, complete your profile. Second is add relevant skills. Third is you can do add certification. Fourth is you can add employment. History. So guys, let's start with small things. Just complete your profile for first day, and tomorrow we'll again meet. Okay, fine. So just complete your profile, and yeah, as you can see, SVN Prasad's profile is set to private. SVN, are you connected with here, Prasad?
Yeah, hi sir. Yes,
Yeah.
I'm connected.
Yeah, just call me Ravi. Yeah.
Oh, hi Ravi.
Okay.
Actually,
So-
I got a mail yesterday. I have edited it, but
Okay.
today morning I got email like for the time being your profile is be converted to private. Like that,
Yeah.
I got email.
Okay, why? So why this happens? Okay, so
Huh.
maybe how old is your profile?
Just 2 months like that.
Okay,
2
so
or 1 month
maybe
old.
okay, so there are many reasons why profile is set to private. Number 1, if you have not
Okay.
won any projects after bidding for 2-3 months, then they can set your profile to private, because what Upwork considers that you are not qualified enough to win the jobs. So they just say first you get the job, and then we'll make your profile public. So as of now, you'll be able to only see the jobs, and you'll be able to bid on the jobs. Your profile will remain private till you get any job, and you'll start earning on the Upwork. So that's the main reason why they set to private.
Okay.
Or maybe other reasons are you have violated some of the policies of their maybe you have got mail if some things of if such things is done, but the main reason is you have not won any project. That's why the profile is set to private. But don't worry,
Okay.
you can bid on the job and you can win the project here. So okay, one more
Okay,
thing to
sure.
mention, your profile picture. Make your profile picture very clear, like the same you get in the search result. Okay, most of
Okay.
Chaitanya, your profile is bit dark, bit bright, so you can make a less proper. Shantanu, if Shantanu is connected over here, this will not work. This you have just uploaded your password photo. So just take care, make a profile picture a proper thing. So what we are doing today, do this thing. These are our day zeros task. Complete your profile. Will take 2 days for this. Day 0 and day 1. Just complete your profile. Do this thing. Optimize your profile. Add relevant skills. Add certification and add employment history. Do these things, and from tomorrow we'll see if anyone how everyone's your profile is there, and from tomorrow we'll start browsing the jobs of our interest, and we'll start we'll check in what jobs we can bid, how we can bid. We can start from over here. So by 2 days we'll start bidding on the jobs, and I hope that after we start bidding, maybe some of you will get reply, and maybe by 10 to 15 days anyone from you can start getting jobs. Let's cross the fingers for this, but for that we need to make our profile very much clear over here. Okay, friends, do anyone have any doubts over here? Yeah, hello friends, any doubts over here? How you
Yeah.
can if how
Yeah,
to
hi.
yeah, what to write in your
Yeah.
profile or anything? You have any doubts?
Yeah, hi Ravi, Kshitij this side.
Yeah, Kshitij.
Ravi, I have a question. Like, if I want to work in SEO, and I also like to work on social media management, so I
Okay.
can write both these skills on my description, or uh, I shall move down to a particular niche.
Okay, fine. Very good question. Upwork has the solution for this. What the solution is, a specialized profile. You have already done that, maybe. Specialized profile feature is there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there
So,
was an option for it.
so here is digital marketing, and you can add other profile also. Check out mine. Okay, you can make a specialized profile. So
Mhm.
one profile for one. Okay, so this is for social media marketing. Okay, this
Hmm.
profile is so how this works. When we bid on any project, they Upwork ask to select the profile, from which profile you want to bid, so that the employer can see these of your profile. Okay,
All right.
we'll just check over here, check out over here also, that you'll get a clear idea. So there is one more. You can add up to two two specialized profile. So one is social media marketing, second is data processing. So in your case, you can write like this: social media marketing and SEO, like this, any of your choice of profile. So how this will work, let me show you. Once you have added your two profiles, when you are bidding on any project like this, okay, so
Hmm.
let this one job, right? When you submit the profile, submit the proposal, it will ask to select the profile. Can you see here? Propose which specialized profile, which profile from which profile you want to propose. So social media marketing, or data processing, or general. So in your case, if you are doing SEO and you are bidding on SEO job, then you can select your SEO profile, and then you
SEO
can
profile,
bid.
right?
Okay, got
Okay.
it clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you can make your two up to two specialized profile, right? Yeah, it's two only. Let me check. Let's check over here. Okay, profile. Okay, just a second.
So it is like two specialized profile and one general profile.
Yes, yes. By
Okay.
default, so when someone lands on your, if your profile is on, search result, they'll see general profile. But when you are bidding, you can bid from any of your personal,
Anyone.
yeah,
Oh,
any
all
of
right.
your
Okay.
specialized profile. I'm not getting OTP. Friends, can anyone give me the feedback on the landing page? I recently started building the landing pages. If any landing page experts over here, you can give feedback on the landing page that I created. Any landing page, or anyone, if you can if you can give the feedback about my landing page. Okay, so this was the landing page I built using swipe pages. Okay, this is the profile. This is the landing page I created. Friends, can anyone give suggestion on this? Okay, where is profile? Okay, once when you are making a profile, just select expert over here. Even if you are not expert, just select expert. Okay, friends, just take care of these things. Also, you connect your accounts, other Twitter and other social media accounts. Okay, check here specialized profile. So in these, two of the two are published. So you can create a specialized profile over here, and you can make as many as not as many as you can make two, but of your choice. So here are specialized profile. You can create from over here. So I'll delete this. No, I don't want to delete this. You can create from over here. Okay. Okay, Shan, I'm expert, but your page was cool. Thanks, Hussein. Yeah, Shantanu. Yeah, this is my landing page. Maybe can you just give some feedback on your this landing page? Yeah. Meanwhile, if anyone have any doubts, we can clear it out. If you are confused about what you need to write in title, or what you can niche it down, or anything regarding Upwork, you can share over here. And yeah, we will catch up half hour every day, and we can see how things go. Okay, Shantanu, can you help me out? Any feedback over here from you, Shantanu?
Hello.
Yeah, Shantanu, can you give me some feedbacks for the landing page?
It's look better, but I want to check in details. I'll give you feedback later.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, no problem, no problem. Fine. Okay, I just made some, yeah, in just half an hour. So yeah, it's not the best landing page, but yeah, it worked. So I also started, I I started with social media management, and now I'm I want to go up to funnel buildings and everything. So yeah, I bought swipe pages. Now I'm trying with the swipe pages. Okay, yeah, friends, if you want to share anything, add FAQ. Yeah, thank you, Chaitanya. We'll add FAQs. So what's there? How I'll be helping you? Fine, fine, fine. I'll add FAQs. Fine, fine. How to create portfolio? Shantanu, how to create portfolio? Okay. Let me show you how to create portfolio. Just go to the home page. Just go to the home page, view profile. So once you are on this view profile, this is your freelancer URL. Okay, and how to create portfolio. So when you scroll down, okay, your portfolio section is there. You can just click on this add button, and you can fill this you can fill these things, and you can just, yeah, it's simple. You just need to fill the details, and you are good to go. Okay, Shantanu, it's in the home page only. Your portfolio. You just need to add over here, and yeah.
But Ravi, I am new in Upwork. Then how can I create this?
You may have done sample project, right? in our internship program also.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, so you can
Oh.
write the like this landing page for XYZ, right?
Hmm,
And
hmm.
which profile you want to show? Social media marketing. So it is related to Upwork job. So no, right? Whatever
Oh,
your Upwork jobs are, jobs you have won, that list is over here. But you are new, so no job selected. What is the
okay,
completion? What is the completion date? So just write the completion date over here.
okay,
So
okay.
0 go to template like case study gallery of or classic. If you want to add photos, you
Hmm,
can select gallery, case study. You can hide. These are few templates. This is the classic one. So add details. So you can write the details over here. You can upload the photo. You can add the link, and yeah, you can add these details, and you can go to preview and save. So there is no need to have any jobs already won on Upwork if you want to add this portfolio section. So you can add
okay.
it your way.
Oh,
You can add the project, your previous project or internship project, hobby project, any project that you have done. You can add any of the project. So there is no restriction of anything over here.
okay, okay.
Okay,
Check it.
so
Okay.
just take care. The whatever the portfolio you are adding, it aligns with your profile and description. So here I have written social media manager. So my portfolio should be aligning with whatever is there in my portfolio and description. So social media management, and I did this thing, and social media strategy building for a client, and this I attached my one of the Upwork job over here because it was awarded to me. So this is optional thing, but that too I have written very small amount of detail. But for formality purpose, we have to create. That's why I have created. But if you add a more detail over here, it will create more impact.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, friends. Any more questions over here? Else we can you can I'll share this slide with everyone with you in the group. What are the tasks for the today and tomorrow, and we can catch back tomorrow, and then we can start searching on the jobs. What type of jobs? How we can find the job, and what type of job we can bid on, and how to bid on. How to bid on those jobs. We can start with this thing. So any questions till now? Yeah. Okay, friends. Any questions? Else we can leave for today. Okay. Thank you. Okay, friends. So if anyone are stuck, if you want to, if you are in confusion what to write, then just mention in our group, and I'll figure out what we can do in that. I'll try to help you. Maybe I can spare a couple of hours every day for every one of you. We can. I'll be very happy if someone of you will start get rolling on Upwork. I'll be very happy.
Raviji, there is one doubt from my side is
Yeah.
there is one message showing on my profile.
Okay.
To resubmit my profile, what to do to resubmit, or how to handle that message?
Okay. Are you on laptop just now, Rohit?
Yes, yes,
Can you share your screen? I'll make you co-host.
sure, 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 sure.
Okay. Making you co-host.
Yes,
I made you co-host. Just share your screen.
yes.
Yeah, friends, many of you will get this thing. To not many, every one of you. If you are new on Upwork, you'll surely get this thing. Resubmit profile, right? Okay. So all the new profile will 100% get this message. Your profile was not accepted, and you need to resubmit your profile. So what is missing over here? One thing, your profile should be 100%. Okay, 100% completed. Okay, Rohit,
Yes.
can you just edit your profile? Can you just click on this pencil button in near view profile, or just scroll down? Okay, scroll down. let's just let's just check out your profile. Okay, portfolios is good. Okay.
I want to add some more portfolio things. Do you recommend of adding all the things and submitting the profile tomorrow, or
No, it is not. You are you have already added enough items in the portfolio, so
Okay.
portfolio is not the problem. Just scroll down a bit. Okay, testimonials. Okay, just Rohit, I suggest you add a certification.
Mhm.
Hussein, we cannot hear you. Okay, Rohit, you just add one certification.
Okay.
Either Google or HubSpot, both are
Yes.
providing free certification. So
Okay.
just add one certification, right?
Mhm.
And
Okay.
what you have mentioned in the expertise level, have you
Okay.
mentioned a beginner, intermediate, or expert?
Okay.
Can you show over here what you have added in your this expertise thing? Okay, yeah, just add it. Hussein, you were asking some question. You can unmute yourself and you can ask.
So where to see the expert
Yeah.
level only.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Fine.
Yes.
Yeah, you just take care and just scroll down a bit. Categories, specialized profile. Okay, in categories, right? Just add two, three skills that are new in the Upwork. Just add it. Just click on the edit button in your categories.
Yes.
Okay. Go to data analytics, data science and analytics. Data science and analytics.
Yes.
Okay. So just click on machine learning.
Okay.
And selected.
It is saying
Remove.
that.
Yeah, remove some of the. Remove few. One or two. Remove one or two. Okay. 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 Fine. Go downwards. Yeah, Hussein is asking, can we add 6 months of internship assignments as part of portfolio? Yes, 100%, Hussein. If they are aligning with your, if you are into website development and you have worked on a blog, you can definitely add your blog in the profile. If you are into landing page, then you can definitely add that landing page. If you are into Facebook ads, then you can show your Facebook ad result over there. But yeah, it's recommended you add any of the thing. You can add the internship assignments we did in the internship program. Okay, IT engineering. Just click on engineering, Rohit.
Yes.
Can you see? No, no, not over here. Can you find somewhere blockchain development, IT and networking? Just go in IT and networking. Mhm. In engineering, go in engineering and architect. No. Okay, so what the concept is, if Upwork is receiving so many of profiles every day, so what they want, the profile, the freelancer, those who have skills which are very less on Upwork these days, they will easily accept their profile, right? One thing is this. So like very much common things, graphic designing and everything, they are very much common, and they have so many applications of graphic designer or freelancer on their platform.
Yes.
So you need to add some unique skills also, which are not very much popular on Upwork. So just keep this thing in mind and select any of these things which are, if you don't know, then also you just add few skills which are very less on Upwork.
Yes, got it.
Okay, and one more thing, why your profile is not yet approved. If you have your personalized domain, just change your domain, just change your email ID from Gmail to your personalized domain. This also create much impact on it.
Okay. So generally, I had a portfolio. So do you recommend of making a one email regarding that?
Yes, you can absolutely create a hello@mahadevu.com and search any of your your wish. Just make a email with this, make email with your personalized domain name and use that email. So I guarantee that your profile will be approved. So do make a checklist. Okay, can you open a sticky note and make a checklist? Just open a sticky note, and this will be helpful to everyone. Okay,
Yes.
use personalized email ID.
Yes.
Okay, second, add some skills that are very less used. Use unpopular Upwork skills,
Yes.
very less used on Upwork.
Okay.
Third is add certification. You have to complete the exam, so it will take, you can Google the answers and everything, and you
Yes.
can
Yeah,
add
I had some HubSpot certifications and all.
okay, it will take 1 day to approve.
Okay.
But do this thing. What is write one another thing, make yourself expert, add expertise in your professional level. You have already done that, but this is for other friends over
Yes.
here.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the checklist for if your profile is not approved. Try this thing and just submit it. It will not take. You'll get something about 24 to 48 hours, and they'll again, if it is approved, you'll get approved, and if it's not, then they'll never say what is missing in your profile. We only have to figure out, and we have to make the changes accordingly and resubmit it. So this is a try and error method. My profile was also not approved like 3 times. I resubmitted my profile 3 times, and after that my profile was approved. So this is a checklist. Use these things, and Rohit, also post this checklist in the group.
Yes. Sure. Sure. Sure, Ravi.
Okay, it will be helpful to others.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Try these things, and let's see if your profile is getting approved or not.
Yes, I will give a try.
Okay.
Yeah.
So any more questions over here? Yeah, Hussein. Yeah, Hussein got one question. Yeah. Okay, Hussein. Yeah, I think your question is answered. We can absolutely add our project assignments, internship assignments over here. Okay, friends. So it was nice meeting you all. If you can just turn on your video once, if I can see you, then okay, fine. Yeah. Hi Mahadev. Hi Chaitanya. Nice to see you, friends. Yeah. Hi Shantanu. All doing well. Shantanu, you are from where, Shantanu? Shantanu, your
Shantanu,
mic
you're
is
on mute.
From Mumbai.
great. Mumbai. Mahadev, you?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Hi from Hyderabad. Chaitanya? Chaitanya, you are from Mumbai. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, Manish, Hussein, Sunita, Sweta, Saurabh. Can you just tell me from where you guys are? It's okay if you cannot turn on your video. I understand. Saurabh from Gurgaon. Okay. Okay, fine. Hyderabad. Sweta from Assam. Yeah, so everyone from other states. I'm from Gujarat. Okay, okay, no problem, Kaushik. Okay, friends. So see you tomorrow. Just make these changes, and Rohit, just post that checklist in the group, and I'll also
Done.
post today's checklist in the group, and
Yes.
we'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye everyone. Bye. Thanks.